In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Rocket League here on Steam, even though it's no longer available in the Steam store. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. You can't technically download it directly in Steam, but you can add it to your Steam library using Epic Games. So what you're going to want to do first is get yourself the Epic Games launcher. You could do this on any web browser just by searching download Epic Games launcher. But once you get the Epic Games launcher, go ahead and open it up, sign in, and search specifically for Rocket League and download and install it through here. It's going to be completely free. Once you download and install it, it's going to appear in your library. And as you can see, here it is for me right here. What you're going to want to do is click the three dots on it just like so, and then click manage when it pops up, and then from here hit the little like open install location folder just like so, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Essentially go ahead and find this file path because we're going to need to memorize this, but essentially either drag this off to the side, which is what I'm going to do right now, or just take a picture of it and then go to Steam and open Steam up. And once Steam opens up for you, what you're going to want to do is look down in the bottom left, and you can be in your library for this. You don't have to though, but look in the bottom left and hit add a game, just like so, and then hit add a non-Steam game. It's then going to take you to a section that looks like this. We just need to hit browse. It's not going to pop up in this location. Just hit browse, and then now go ahead and find that same file path. So this was program files, Epic Games, Rocket League, binaries, Win64, and find that .exe file or the application file for Rocket League, select it, and hit open. Once you do that, it'll add to your library, and as you can see, we have Rocket League right here. It really is that simple. Rocket League's not going to appear in your Steam library, and you can launch it directly from here just by hitting play. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.